What's up guys, I got few more everyday carry gadgets that fit your pocket or just EDC gadgets. Let's see. So first of all, this is a little Pry Bar Titanium. There's a couple magnets right here. Interesting, whoa. And there's like a spring release. There you go, there's a spring release, like a little look like a wrench, pliers type of stuff. Perfect for the bike. Oh wow, it grips tight. So tighten up a bicycle and so on. There's a clip, nice. How many centimeters? 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters ruler. And there is a big magnet over here. Easy to take it out. Okay, and this becomes a little screwdriver over here. Or over here, this one. And looks like it will take a bigger bits as well. If I want to put only one bit, for bigger bit no problem. Bottle opener, sharp enough edge on the pry bar and not super skinny, so I could pry open cans like paint cans, anything, scrape something off, even pull a nail looks like, and sharp enough to open like a tape on a box. I really like that little titanium bar with the little wrench. Very cool. I had my doubts, but I actually like this a lot. This is high quality. Next, I got right here Daily Carry Co. Thick pick. The thick pick, like a toothpick, but thick one. So it is pretty small. This one is all black. Comes with the extra rubber rings, and it's a really small. Like a keychain type of gadget, but if I unspin this, flip it over, I have a little toothpick. It is so awesome, and it's also thick. That's why it's called thick pick. So I have to remove splinter or whatever. It's just so perfect. Or I could use it as a toothpick. But remember, this is titanium, so it's super lightweight. Flip it over. Put it on a, I don't know, maybe even a zipper of a backpack or bag, maybe on lanyard, keychain, so many places to put it. It is high quality. I love that one a lot. And that's a brand of it. All you have to do is just search that on Amazon or whatever. It will come up super quickly. That's why I don't include links, because I include the brand and it's easy to find them online. Hopefully it's easy for you. Next, I really enjoy pry bars, and this one, another one, super small. I found on a quick pry bar, black, on Amazon, and there's no brand, I don't think. I mean, this is whatever that means. Is that brand markings? Maybe. But regardless, it is pretty unique. I don't know if it's titanium. It feels pretty heavy. It is a nice sharp edges pry bar to cut something open, pry something open. Bottle opener, very small. Look at that. 2 of my finger follicles, thick enough. Put on a keychain, grab it on the keys, pry it open, open the bottle. I love that. It's so small, it's perfect. If I use a knife to pry something open, it will chip a knife open. This is CRT, pretty cheap knife, like $50. I use it every day, but I never use a knife to pry something open, because I see a lot of people have a cheap end of a knife and it's useless knife. That's why the pry bar comes in, to help open anything that is tough to open, like paint can and so on. So let's see what else we have. I have right here Ace Beam flashlight, new release, stock AA. So this is probably takes AA batteries, so it doesn't have to be rechargeable, which is nice. 5 years warranty. Okay, usually they let us know the lumen. Okay, there is the lumen, high 700 to 400 lumen, medium 200 lumen, low 40 lumen, and ultra low. I never heard that terminology before. This is 5 lumen, but it will last a long time, like the battery and so on. It's 200 meters and USB-C charger, so it might be on a charger as well. don't forget to take this off. And usually flashlight have this cover, and it's a regular, looks like 920 mAh battery, ace beam. When this one runs out, I can stick any battery in here, it will be fine. That's what's so cool about it. It could be used, this battery or any AAA batteries. Wow, that is bright. So this is modes, just on and off, and there's a 3 modes. Sometimes simple flashlight modes are really nice and not confusing. So very cool, simple, and I really like that there is a chargeable battery, and also will fit any other AAA batteries or AA batteries, I'm sorry. So very nice. And if you're wondering, if you buy a new flashlight, why it doesn't turn on, because all the flashlights that I have been opening had one of these protective battery sleeve, so it doesn't either set the whole box on fire, or it doesn't like devalue the battery as well. So very cool. Look at that lens in there. I like it. It fits my hand so well. Very good machinery work. Beautiful flashlight. This is it here, heat resistant, like, or heat diffuser, so it cools off faster and it will stay hot on the maximum. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.